LuckyAkankshavlog. So today I will show you how to create or generate the viral Instagram 3D action figure image. So let's get started with the video. First I will place here my phone screen so that you can easily get step by step how to create the image. So let's get started. First you need to go to Google and search for Gemini AI and then open the first link. Now the page will be open. Press the plus icon and select any picture you want to create. After select the picture, then copy and paste the text. The text I will put it in the description box below so that you can easily copy it from there. Wait for a few seconds and your image will be generated easily. This process takes 2 minutes. You can also create more images like this on your own and easily download picture in a gallery. Thanks for watching.